I am inside of my Google Plus page right now, and we are going to look at Google Hangouts. And we're going to look at Google Hangouts from a specific aspect of getting traffic to your websites. Obviously, Google Hangouts is like doing your own webinar, and it allows you to create a live event. Now, that's very important because you can have literally live interviews, you can have live presentations, and people are apt to come to live events more so than they might come to read a blog or watch a video. When you have a special guest and you have something that's going to be of interest to people, something that might expire or something that people are not going to be able to get on a regular basis, they'll be more apt to come to your site for that. Now, how do you create a live event on your website, and how does Google Hangouts actually help you? Well, Google Hangouts is a facility that you're going to use to broadcast. Now, you're going to start the Hangout on there. Now, this is obviously not going to be a tutorial on how to do Google Hangouts. There are extensive tutorials on how to do that, as well as entire courses. What I'd like to show you in terms of starting a Google Hangout is something in particular. Now, we're going to call this just a test Hangout. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule this for later. I'm just going to call that guest hangout. I'm going to schedule this for later. And what I'm going to do is I am going to take this out so that there just will not be a lot of people there. And then I'm just going to click the share button. Now, I'm only doing this so that you can get an illustration of what we are talking about here. Now, here's what's going to happen. Google Plus is going to have created an event, and the reason that I want to show you this event is because when we come to the event and we actually click on it, here is something that we're going to look at. It's called links. Now, what's important about this is that you'll see that this is an embed code. That means that you can take that embed code and put it on any website, and that allows you to stream live from a particular place on the internet where people will need to come in order to watch your live event. Now, that's why that's pretty important. We can go back and we can actually delete these events from our Google Plus page, and we can have this event, whether it's an interview or a presentation or maybe it's an educational event, we can have that event on our website. We can make it exclusive to our website, and that's very important because that is what will attract the people to our actual site. And that's what really Google Hangouts will allow you to do if you use it in this way. And it's a live events are a very good way of focusing people's attention on your offers on your website. And if you do these and you do them on a regular basis, then you will start to see that people will come to recognize your site as the place where they can get some exclusive information. So Google Hangouts, you want to use them in just that way. Create Google Hangouts. You want to use the embed code, just as I showed you, to have it on your website and invite people to your website to have an exclusive event. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.